Woof! Welcome back, marketers. I'm Digital Marketing Dog, your favorite four-legged digital marketing director. I've survived hundreds of client calls and countless budget discussions. Today, we're talking about SEM. No, it doesn't stand for send every meme to your manager, though that is a solid strategy. Let's fetch some knowledge. SEM stands for Search Engine Marketing. Businesses pay Google to appear when customers search for relevant keywords. These users already have buying intent. You're not interrupting them. You're helping them find what they want. Every time someone searches, Google runs an auction. And here's the secret: the biggest budget doesn't always win. Think of it like a job interview. Money might get you the interview, but quality gets you the job. Optimization beats budget. First up, search campaigns. Perfect for capturing high-intent customers searching for specific services or products. If someone searches "best dentist in Pune," your ad can appear immediately. Show them why you're the best option. Performance Max is Google's AI-powered campaign. It automatically decides who should see your ads across all channels. Google does the heavy lifting. Sometimes it's brilliant. Sometimes I tilt my head like a confused puppy. Display campaigns use image and banner ads across millions of websites. They're perfect for awareness and remarketing. It's like your ex, except instead of asking how you've been, it's asking if you want to buy those sneakers again. Shopping campaigns show product images and prices instantly. If you sell online, this is your best friend. Video campaigns run on YouTube. You only have 5 seconds before people hit skip, so make them count. Demand gen creates interest before people even search. Marketing is about creating curiosity before conversions. App campaigns promote installs across Play Store and YouTube. Finally, something that doesn't need 12 Excel sheets. Local campaigns drive customers to physical stores. Sometimes the best conversion is someone walking through your door. Now, keyword match types. Broad match is "I want coffee." Exact match is a large iced vanilla latte with oat milk. The more specific you are, the more control you have. Master these to optimize your budget effectively. Choosing the wrong bidding strategy is like using a tennis racket to play cricket. You're doing it wrong. Quality score measures ad quality. Higher scores mean lower costs and better positions. Quality over quantity. Let's fetch today's key takeaways. Master these campaign types, and you'll sound like a senior marketer. Search captures demand, PMax automates, display builds awareness, and video tells stories. Always optimize before you scale. I'm Digital Marketing Dog. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel where you can fetch even more marketing secrets. Share this with that teammate who still just boosts posts. Stay pawsitive. Woof!